Solve for m if m minus square root of m minus 2 is close to 1. Now, how do we solve this? m minus 2 is close to 1. All right, then what do we do? We take that side, we say square root of m minus 1 is equals to square root of m minus 2. We say 1, Then we say it squares. We say squared. Squared minus time, it cancels the square root. Now, we are having m minus 2 is equals to. This give us m minus square root of m minus square root of m plus 1. All right. Be careful when it comes to this. Say m minus 2 is equals to. These two give us m minus 2 square root of m plus 1. And then we say m minus 2 is equals to. M minus 2 is equals to. What do we say now in these instances? We are having m, minus and plus. Let's take m to this side, or let's take m to this side. Vice versa, it's fine. So we are going to have m minus m minus 1 is equals to 2 minus 2m square root of m. Then when we go further, we are going to say a cancel this. I give 1 is equals to minus 2 square root of m. All right, so what do we do in these instances? We left 2 somewhere. Where is this 2? Minus 2 plus minus 2. Okay, that means you are having minus 3 is equals to minus 2m. So how do we deal with this? We're going to say squared. This one give us 9 is equals to. This one give us 4m. We divide by 4 by 4. M is equals to 9 over 4. Now let's check the answer. Square root of m minus square root of m minus 2 is equals to 1. Let's check. Whenever we see m, we put what? We put 9 over 4. Now, square root of 9 over 4 minus square root of 9 over 4 minus 2 is equals to 1. Is equals to 1. This is the square root. Now, square root of 9 divided by square root of 4 minus 4 divided by 4 into 4 is 1. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 into 4, 4. 4 times 2 is equals to 4 times 2 is equals to 8 is equals to 1. 3 squared, 9 squared is equals to 3. 4 squared is equals to 2 minus. Now this one give us 1 divided by 4 is equals to 1. So how do we deal with this? This is a square root. Now, square root of, let's check. We are having we are having 3 over 4. We're having 3 over 4 minus square root of 1 over 4 is equals to 1. Square root of 1, 3 over 4. Square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 4 is 2 is equals to 1. Alright. Now, remember that we didn't have this. Here, square root of 9 is 3. We have 2. Alright. Now, let's recap. Before you do mistakes. We had square root of 9 divided by square root of 4 minus all the square root of 1 over 4 is equals to 1. Now, 3 over 2 minus 1 over 2 is equals to 1. 4 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 is equals to 1. This one, we cancelled, we answer this one is equals to 1. Thank you. Proved and checked. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Done and dusted.